Hello everyone. 7 minutes to unlock is a fast chat from Unlock Blockchain. Is the one and the only blockchain and crypto media platform in the MENA region. For audience watching us today on Zoom, I am happy to inform you that we will be able to take your question to Gowri at the end of the interview. So please use the Q&A section to place your question at the end. Welcome again, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share and like, and the most important, give us your recommendation, who should we meet or interview next. So, Gowri, hello.
Hello, hi Walid.
So you know the drill. It is an interview of 7 minutes. I'll have 7 questions for you. So try to make your answer short to gain time for the last ones.
Sure.
Okay. So tell us more about you, how you end up in the blockchain space.
Yeah, looking back, actually, sometime in 2016, what piqued my interest was the rise and interest of cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then it was followed on by the ICO boom. So for someone like me who comes from a traditional investment banking, investment management background, the ability of issuers to transcend global boundaries and raise capital, as much as it was of fascinating disbelief to watch happening, it also was quite unnerving. But sans the unnerving part, what I wanted to see was how the fact that someone was using this technology to break barriers, reduce friction, and facilitate global access to pool of capital for issuers. I wanted to make sure what happens if this technology can be brought within the confines of securities regulations and utilized. So that's my entry and interest into the space. And today we have GRIP DIFC doing just that.
So what is the mandate of GRIP DIFC?
So GRIP DIFC is a licensed and regulated firm. So we are established within the Dubai International Financial Center, and we are regulated by the Dubai Financial Services Authority as an investment banking and wealth management firm. From a business point of view, we operate across 3 verticals: investment banking services, wealth management, and a private securities marketplace.
GRIP will conduct a multi-million-dollar capital raise for Lead Real Estate Japan, a major digital securities offering from Dubai. Can you tell us more about that?
Sure. So I'm quite proud to say that GRIP has been the first entity in the whole of the MEASA, or the Middle East, North Africa, and the South Asian region to bring forth a digital securities offering conducted within the confines of securities regulations as a private placement to the market. So it's indeed a pride moment for us. In terms of the issuance itself, this is a 17-year-old Japanese company with a turnover in excess of $80 million as we speak, who has come to market to raise capital in the form of issuing their preference shares. It is this preferred equity that's being digitized or tokenized and issued as digital securities. And the proceeds of capital are going to be used towards identified projects, or use of proceeds are towards developing projects across premium areas of Tokyo.
Great. So what is the advantage for a company from Japan to work with the company in Dubai or in the IFC?
Yeah, so Dubai is a place that I proudly call home. We are a hub. We are home to more than 200 nationalities. And more importantly, DIFC, as an international financial center ranked 8th in the world, has frameworks and regulations which facilitates firms like GRIP to operate within. And this confluence of factors makes sure that we are able to operate as a firm from the DIFC here in Dubai and bridge the West and the East. So for a Japanese entity to choose GRIP as a firm, it means they are utilizing our strategic location, the regulatory frameworks within which we operate, of course, the team and the expertise and the bandwidth we have brought to this issuance, all of which to conduct a global capital raise. And when it comes to a digital security, which is a new issuance or a new instrument that we bring to the market, utilizing a hub which operates within these regulatory frameworks, it's in their advantage as an issuer. So I believe that is one of the key reasons why we have been chosen. Of course, I don't want to take away any credit from the team members who bring forth all the expertise. So it's a combination of all of that.
Great. So you are creating also the first private security marketplace in the region. How do you envision this to be in the next 3 years from now?
Yes, so within GRIP, we are establishing a marketplace, a private securities marketplace to enable the trading of, be it equities, bonds, any form of other securities which are issued within the private marketplace. And we believe the ability to reduce friction and enable swift transfer of ownership within the private securities markets would enable these companies to have secondary market price discovery and enable them to reduce their cost of capital in the form of, be it raise or primary raise or secondary raise and so forth. So GRIP marketplace is envisioned to bring forth or rather to enter the private securities space to facilitate this. So that is the main goal of the GRIP private securities marketplace. And we believe in the years to come, as we develop, we would be able to have a significant impact within the private companies or private securities, and ultimately facilitate the blurring of lines between what it means to be listed and what it means to be a private security. Because technology today, right, means you do not have to be within a walled garden, i.e. an exchange, to have secondary market price discovery, to have ease of discovery. We can do this with the distributed ledger technology within a private securities marketplace. And our goal is to do just that for the companies.
So you took a lot of time for this answer. What else in the pipeline?
Of course. So what else is in the pipeline? We are developing the wealth management vertical. But the key thing to remember here is that GRIP Investments was established with one single goal, and that is to redefine investment management as we know it, because we see many efficiencies within asset managers, investment funds, private bankers, and so forth. We believe these are not beneficial to investors. So ultimately, all the actions we do within GRIP DIFC, it's towards facilitating and enabling the goal of the parent, which is GRIP Investments, and that is to redefine investment management as we know it. So everything you would see in our pipeline, it's towards that goal.
Great. So less than 1 minute, free to talk directly to your potential investors.
Yeah, this issuance is directed towards accredited and professional investors across the world, and accredited investors within the US. So please feel free to reach out to our investor relations teams, our wealth managers who work across multiple private banks, and we would be more than happy to furnish you with any information you may require.
Great. Thank you for this insightful session, Gowri.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and recommend us who should we interview next.